In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up cTrader alerts. If you've ever missed a key price move because you stepped away from your desk, price alerts are your safety net. They quietly watch the market for you and let you know the exact moment price reaches a level you care about. Let's walk through the process clearly from start to finish. Begin by opening cTrader and loading the chart for the symbol you're interested in. Make sure the chart is visible and that you can see the current price action. A quick glance at the price scale on the right will help you decide roughly where you want your alert to trigger. Next, look for the price alert icon, which appears as a small bell in the instrument's toolbar. This is the dedicated control for creating an alert. Click the bell to activate alert placement mode, then move your cursor to the chart and click directly at the price level where you want the alert to trigger. Choose a level with intention, perhaps a previous high, a support zone, or a breakout line, so the alert has clear meaning for your strategy. After you click the chart, the new alert menu will appear. This is where you define exactly how cTrader should monitor price for you. First, choose whether the alert should track the ask price or the bid price. The bid is typically the sell price, and the ask is the buy price. Because there's usually a small spread between them, picking the right side matters. For example, if you care about the price you can buy at, selecting ask will be more accurate for that purpose. Then, set the trigger condition. You can choose equal higher or equal lower. Equal higher is perfect for alerting you when price breaks up through your level, while equal lower works when you want to be notified if price falls to or below a support or target. You'll also see options for pop-ups and sounds. Tick these if you want a visual pop-up and an audible notification, or untick them if you prefer to keep things quiet. Consider your workflow. If you often work with multiple windows, a sound can be a helpful nudge. Add an optional note to remind yourself why you set the alert, such as, watch for breakout retest. Clear context saves time later. When everything looks right, click Create Alert. You'll see your alert as a yellow line on the chart, confirming it's active at the exact level you chose. That's it. Your alert is set, and cTrader will notify you when your conditions are met.